Okay, this is junior mathematics. It's about mixtures. A good number of students have asked me to solve problems involving mixtures. So without wasting much of our time, let's go to the first example. Our first example, it reads type 1 milk costing 600 kwacha per kg is mixed with 10 kg of type 2 milk costing 300 kwacha per kg. If the mixture costs 500 kwacha per kg, we should calculate the amount of type 1 milk in the mixture. So to make it easier, I should have a table. So just a table here. So we have a type of milk. You have a type 1 and type 2. Cost of which type? So you have a cost there. That's 600 kwacha. Type 1, it costs 600 kwacha, whereas type 2 is costing 300 kwacha. So these are the kwachas. And now kgs in the mixture. Type 1 we don't know, so you can just put that on as x, where type 2 they said it's 10 kgs, so I'm putting here 10. And now the next thing we need to do, we need to know total cost for the mixture per each type. So to find total cost, just a matter of multiplying kgs and the cost. So x and 600, you get us 600x, whereas 10 and 300, you get us 3000 kwacha. So that's the total. So to find the total here, total kgs here, that's 10 plus x, and to find the total amount of cost, that's total amount of money for type 1 and type 2, just a matter of adding this one and that one. So it's 3000 kwacha plus 600x. So they have said that the mixture cost this one. So what you need to do, just a matter of finding the ratio of total money, total cost versus total number of kgs. So we have 3000 plus 600x, then down in total kgs, that's 10 plus x, and the mixture was costing 500. So here you have to put 500 kwacha. We are ignoring k as of now. So to find the value of x, just a matter of cross multiplication. 1 times this one, you get what's 3000, then plus 600, x is equal to this one, that's 500 here, and we have 10 plus x. So I'm dropping down 3000, then plus 600, that means 600x is equal to this one, that one, it's 5000, then plus 500x. So just a matter of combining like terms together. This one will go this side, while this one go the other side. So we have 600x minus 500x is equal to 5000 minus 3000. So the difference here, that's 100x, whereas the difference here, that's 2000. So to find the value of x, we're going to divide both sides by 100 here as well as 100 there. So this one will cancel, remaining with the x, whereas this one, that one, it will give us 20. So that's the amount of kgs of type 1 milk in the mixture. We can now move on to another question. And now with the 3 kgs of white sugar costing 500 per kg is mixed with 2 kgs of brown sugar costing 800 kwacha per kg. Find the cost of the mixture. So it's 500 kwacha per kg for 3 kgs. So to find the total total money, total cost, I should write total cost for brown sugar, for white sugar, that's 3 times 500 waja, which is 1500. And for brown sugar, total cost for brown sugar, that's 2 kgs times 800 watt. So the answer is 1600 watt. Ready? So total money, total cost here, that's the sum of 1600 watt and 1500 watt. So if we add that one, the answer is 3100 watt. That's the total cost for sugar or brown commercial sugar white. And the total gauges, that's 3 gauges and 2 gauges, that's 3 gauges and plus 2 gauges here, which is 5 kgs. So to find the cost per kg of the mixture, just a matter of dividing the total cost and total gauges. So it's 3000, that's 3100, then divide by 5 kgs. So the answer there, we have kgs here and we have kwacha there. So if you divide 3100 divided by 5, the answer is 620 watt per kg. That's the answer there. To remind you, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also like my page on Facebook, Unique Online Classes. Let's now move on to another question. It reads 5 liters of white tea costing 200 waja per liter is mixed with 15 liters of black tea costing 100 waja per liter. If the mixture was sold at a profit of 30%, calculate the selling price of the mixture. So solution, total cost for white tea, is equal to, so we have 200 waja times 5 liters here. So if you multiply that one, that's 1000 waja. That's 1000 waja. And then we should find the total cost for black tea. Total cost for black tea here. So for black tea, that's 100 kwacha multiplied by 15 here. That's 15. So we're putting that one. So if we multiply that one, that will be 1500 kwacha. So the sum of total cost, total cost here, total cost is equal to 1500 then plus 1000 waja, which is equal to 2500 waja. And total kgs in the mixture, was not kgs but liters, sorry, that's liters. That's 5 liters and 15 liters. 5 liters plus 15 liters. And the answer there, that's 20. So to find the cost of the mixture per liter, tingobanga 2500 waja, then divide by 20 liters. And the answer there, if you divide 2500 and 20 liters, that will be 125 kwacha per liter. That's 125 per liter. Now the question, it says the mixture was sold at a profit of 30%. What we need to do, we need to find 30% of that one. So 30% of this one, that's 30 over 100, then times 125. So if we find 30% of that one, 30 times 125, then divide by 100, the answer is that's 37.5 kwacha. 37.5 kwacha. So the mixture here, including the profit, just a matter of adding this. So 125 kwacha, then plus 37.5, the answer will be, this is kwacha, the answer is 162.5 kwacha. So 162 kwacha, 50 tambala. That's the cost of the mixture, including the 30%. Or else you would have do this 130% over 100, then it times 125. The cost of mixer per liter. So if you multiply 130 and the 125, then divide by 100, the answer still will be 162.50 kwacha per liter. So that's the answer there. So we can now move on to another question. In what ratio must tea costing 20 kwacha per liter be mixed with the tea costing 28 kwacha per liter? So what we need to do here, the solution of this one, total cost per kg, that's 20 kwacha, then plus 28 kwacha, which is equal to 48 kwacha. That's the total cost per kg. So to find the ratio, we need to find a ratio of which t. So here for this one is 20 over total, which is 48, times the cost of the mixture, which is 22 kwacha. So if you multiply 22 and 20, then divide by 48, the answer is 9.1666, which is equivalent to 17 here. So that's 9 kwacha, 17 tambala. So to find the ratio of that guy, equal 28 over 48 here, then times the cost of the mixture, which is 22. So if you multiply 28 and 22, then divide by 48, the answer is 12.83. So according to the question, in what ratio must a tea costing 20 kwacha per kg be mixed with this one 28 kwacha per kg to produce a mixture with that one? So the ratio should be like this. That's the ratio. These are the gauges, by the way. Let's now move on to another question, and this one should be the last one. Should be last but one. Yeah. Tuonge bought 20 bags of fire rice at 900 kwacha each, and 30 bags of blue bonnet rice at 1,200 kwacha each. She mixed them and sold the mixture at profit of 10%. How much did she charge for each bag of the mixture? The solution, we need to find the total cost for each type of rice. So we have super fire rice. Total cost will be 900 kwacha. 900 kwacha times 20 bags. So 20 bags were costing 20 times 900. That is 18,000 kwacha. So we have 18,000 kwacha. And for blue bonnet, that's 1200 kwacha times 30 bucks. So total cost 30 times 1200 kwacha, the answer is 36,000 kwacha. So total cost for all, total cost here is equal to 36,000 kwacha plus 18,000 kwacha, 18,000 kwacha, which is if we add, the answer is 54,000 kwacha. So that's the total cost. Now we need to find total number of bags there to see kuti bag imodzi mapangidwa cost ndama zingati in the mix. So what we need to do, total bags, have total bags here, total bags, that's 30 and 20. So you have 30 plus 20, which is 50 bags. So to find the cost of the mixture per bag, that's 54,000 kwacha, 54,000 kwacha divided by 50 bags, 50 bags. So if we divide 54,000 divided by 50, the answer is 1,080 kwacha, that's per bag. So that's the cost per bag. But according to the question, they have said the mixture has the profit of 10%. So what we need to do, we need to find 10% of this guy, or in short, just do 110 over 100 here times this one, which is 1080. So if you multiply 110 and 1080 divided by 100, the answer is that's 1188 kwacha. So that's the cost of the mixture with its profit there, 10% profit. Here in the Munga Mavangiri is Jose Olavanga subscribe. Join the Jose Olavanga subscribe. And let's now move on to the final question. The final question, I know what 3 kinds of tea at 5 kwacha 80 tambala, 7 kwacha 3 tambala, and 7 kwacha 70 tambala. 5 kwacha 80 tambala, 7 kwacha 30 tambala, and 7 kwacha 70 tambala per kg are mixed in the ratio of this one. What is the mixtures with per kg? So we have 5, 8, and we have 7, 30, and we have 7, 70. The ratio of these ones, so here you have 2, here you have 3, and here you have 5. So we need to find each one is ngati. So 2 times that one, that says 11 60 kwacha. And this one, 3 times 7 30 should be 21 90 tambala, 21 by 90 tambala. And 5 times 7 kwacha 70 tambala, that is 38 kwacha 50, 38 kwacha 50 tambala. That's the cost of each type. So total of this one, sum of this, sum of this, sum of that, 11 kwacha 60 plus 21 kwacha 90 plus 38 kwacha 50 tambala. The answer is 72 kwacha. That's 72 kwacha. That's the total for that mix. So according to the ratio, sum of the ratios, 2 plus 3 plus 5, that's 10. So to find the weight of the mixture per kg, when you're going to divide with our ratio here, which is 10. So if you divide this 72 divided by 10, that is 7.2 kwacha, 7.2. so that's the thing here. That's the cost of the mixer packaging. I think you have enjoyed this one. I have reminded you, it has been a long time. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best.